Welcome to this guide on Samsung Adapt Sound. In this video, we'll explore how to optimize your audio experience on your Samsung device for clearer, more personalized sound. Ever feel like turning up the volume just makes the audio sound muffled? You're not alone, and it's a common issue. Human hearing isn't flat. As we age, we naturally lose sensitivity to high frequencies. Because of this, simply increasing the volume doesn't necessarily make things clearer. Enter Samsung Adapt Sound. Think of it as a personal audiologist inside your phone. It tests your hearing and fine-tunes your device to compensate for those weaker frequencies. Standard volume settings just boost everything, which often leads to noise. Adapt Sound is smarter. It boosts only the specific frequencies you need, providing actual clarity. You have two main options for setting this up. You can either choose a quick age-based preset or take a custom, detailed hearing test. If you choose the age preset, simply select your age bracket. The phone will instantly apply an audio adjustment tailored to typical hearing changes for that group. Alternatively, the custom test plays various tones, and you respond with a simple yes or no. This builds a profile perfectly matched to your specific hearing needs. Setting this up is a breeze. It's located in your phone's sound settings, and you can get everything configured in 3 simple steps. The improvement is immediate. Whether you're making phone calls, listening to music, or watching movies, you'll hear greater detail and clarity. For the best results, use quality headphones, take the test in a quiet room, and make sure to retake the test once a year to keep your profile accurate. Adapt Sound works with both wired and Bluetooth headphones, though note that it doesn't apply to your device's built-in speakers. Galaxy Buds 3 users also enjoy quick access. Just 5 minutes of setup can transform your listening experience for years. It's quick, easy, and well worth the effort. Let's get it set up today.